Hello, good morning. I say good morning, it's morning for me, Saturday morning to be specific, but welcome to my channel. Before you, I have my monthly kit I just received on Wednesday. I've been waiting to do this video. It's from my Creative Scrapbook. I do get the limited edition kit. So if you've ever wondered what's in this kit, you know, you heard of people that receive these monthly kits that have all kinds of stuff in them. If you've ever wondered what's inside, join me for this video and take a look, because I'm going to show you each piece that's inside. Okay, I'm sorry. As I said, it is morning, and I don't think my voice has woken up yet. And you know, I first heard that from Marta, she's one of my favorite YouTubers. Excuse me, from her channel Marry Me Small Art, and I absolutely love her. But a lot of times I would hear her say that her voice hasn't woken up yet, and she had heard that it takes 2 hours for your voice to wake up, and I'm starting to believe that. So I hope I can make it through this video and without having to stop it too often and cough. So anyway, but we're going to keep going. I want to show you all of the goodies inside. I love getting this kit each month. It's kind of like a little mini Christmas. You get a little gift box. Well, not a gift box. It's quite a big box. And I will show you. It looks like this, at least in the United States. This is how it comes. It's a nice big box sent by priority mail. And I love to see it outside my door. And I got this one, I believe, Wednesday, and I've been waiting to record this video before I took a look to see what's inside. So, let's take a look. So we have some ephemera. When we always get a pack of ephemera. I don't know that I've ever gotten a kit that did not have a pack of ephemera with images, paper images that you can use to coordinate and help create cards and projects. So, you can have that. We have beautiful Prima flowers, and yep, as I say, usually there are 3 packages, and here we go. And all of the pieces in the kit are coordinated to work together. So if you're a new card maker and you're not really sure how to put pieces together, what goes with what, they give you, sorry, everything that comes in a kit is coordinated to work together, and it really helps take the guesswork out. Look at this. Oh, how lovely. This is a stamp. And I love stamps. So, and you know, I was just thinking, for my YouTube channel, I don't know that I've used a lot of stamps. I'm going to have to do a video using stamps because I love to use stamps. And I'm sorry, I'm going to open this real quick. I want to take a look. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Oh, I love the images of the flowers. Love, life, weekend, highlight. Oh, those are great. I'm sure I will use that. And look, stencils. Oh, there's more stencils. That's awesome. And I love, oh, look at the flowers and the leaves. I love nature, and my favorite colors are kind of earth tone colors. So I like to do a lot of earth tone projects. Yes, I do some bright colors, and sometimes I like those. Bling, I'll be honest, I do very little bling. It's like I like bling, but I kind of don't know what to do with it. So I guess you could say it's kind of wasted on me. So I do a lot of earth stuff, and I love that there is that these leaf stencils and flowers, because I'm sure I will use those. That is really great. What a gorgeous background. I know I'll use that one too. And the lines. Off my top of my head, I don't know. See, that one I don't know. I don't already have an idea what to do with it. But these other ones I do. So, but I will have to work on that one. Let's see, what else do we have? We've got chipboard stickers. And I do love chipboard stickers. Why? Because they're sticky. They're stickers, but they're nice and thick. And they're really well made. The colors are always gorgeous. It gives your card dimension. It's, like I said, very well made, and they're really, really nice. But they're stickers, so it really makes it easy to adhere it to your card. So I love these. This is nice. Okay. And we have some glitter stickers. And this is the alphabet. And I believe we always get either an alphabet or some sort of sticker. I believe 1 month didn't we get, we had words, which I don't normally get. Usually you get stickers with the alphabet. So, and I'm sure you look, it always looks like a blank. I was just looking up at my camera, you can't even see the alphabet. But trust me, it's got the alphabet there. So you can use to create your own sentiment on your card or whatever it is you're working on. So let's take a look at the papers. Let's see. This is gorgeous. I love the colors. And you know what else is interesting in these kits? A lot of times you can, as you acquire, you know, from month to month, because I have a hard time believing anybody can use all of the products that you're given in this kit each month, because there's just so much. So I always have leftovers. But a lot of the times the other papers and the other kits go really well with previous papers and colors from other kits. And I don't actually have to pull it out, but here's an example. This one, in one of the kits that we have gotten in the past, as well as this, has this type of, I have a whole page that has this on it. So the colors, sometimes even the patterns work really well with other items and papers that you would have gotten, which is great because that really expands the amount of products and embellishments that you can use when you're creating. So I really like that part. And here's the other side. Oh, look, the lines. Well, I know where I could use that line stencil, right? That's cool. And this collection is, this is a Prima marketing page, and it's called Golden Coast. That is the name of this series. Let's see. Let's take a look. Okay, and you usually do, like in this page, you usually get a page that has different, what am I trying to say? That comes like this, that you can cut and you can use either as the focal point or just part of, you know, as an embellishment on your card, which is great. So look, find me under the Palins, you know. Dream, that's gorgeous. Golden Coast, that could be your focal point for your card. So that makes it super easy to help you create. Okay, look at the life preserver. I'm sensing a beach theme and a crab. Okay, let's see what this one is. That's gorgeous. Look at that. I know a lot of creators do layouts. Scrapbookers do layout, full page layouts. So that's something I'm trying to build up to. I did something similar that it wasn't using a full page, but it was this size, and it had fairies, and it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I really loved it, and I'll probably put a link to this to that video on this one, so you can take a look. But a lot of them start out with a page, a full page like this, and then they add to it. So this is gorgeous. It already gives you just beautiful images that you can use for layout. Oh, look. Oh, wow, that's pretty. I love the green. And here's another page. And a lot of times you'll get duplicates, which is great. So if you want to use this piece maybe on a card, but you're like, oh, but I would also love to do a project, a full layout with it. Well, you have another one. Yeah, that's okay. You have a backup, and you can do your layout on this page, and then you can use this image on your card. So that's wonderful. Let's see. That's pretty. Oh, look, and here's another one of those that you can cut out. Relax, island vibes. I found paradise with you. So, find me at the beach. So there you go. There's your sentiment and your focal point for your cards right there. You just have to cut it out. That's great. And let's see. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Look at all the gold. So this is nice. If you like the bling, if you like the shiny, there's, I believe, yeah, several of these have. Even some of these little focal points, they've got the gold. So there is something for everyone. There's little sailboats. Isn't that cute? We have 2 pages of that. There we go. Now see, here we go. Always the last couple pages are kind of more my style. And sure enough, 49 in Market. I don't know, something about 49 in Market, they just get me. So, but this to me is just gorgeous. This is called Ethereal. Is that right? Ethereal? Great, I can't say it. I can't say it, but I love it. And even that, to me, it's just so easy to work with as well. For a background, look, you can have that in the back, and then that just makes the other colors just pop. So, I love that. But these muted colors, kind of pastels, are just gorgeous. I love that. Look at that. That's gorgeous too. Same thing. I just love it. What's on the back? Oh, that's so easy to work with. I love that. Pam, if you're listening, I'd love duplicate pages of this type page, because this is, I'm really digging it. So she just gets me. 49 in Market just gets me. And this one is back to the Prima Marketing. And, it's another page with just gorgeous images. You don't have to cut them out. You could leave them and then just use them as they are, to the size of your card or whatever project you're using. Or you could fussy cut. You could fussy cut these images out as well. So, that would be really easy to fussy cut that conch shell. So, that's it. Oops. That is the kit for May. There are lots of papers, lots of flowers, ephemera, stickers, sorry, excuse me for reaching, letters, chipboard stickers, stamps, stencils. There is so much that comes in these kits, which is great, because if you're looking to add to your collection, this is how I've gotten a lot of my collection of stamps and stencils, and definitely flowers. I have so many flowers. And that's how, because there's so much that comes in the kit. So I realized that last month's kit, I did not do a video making cards, and I'm not sure why. I don't know why I didn't do that. I know I used the kit to make cards, but I don't believe I did a video for it. So I'm definitely going to do a video making cards on this one. I don't know right now. Again, my voice is having a hard time. And I appreciate you for suffering through my scratchy voice with me today. But stay tuned. Look for a video using this kit to make some lovely cards. All right, I hope you enjoyed it, and that you come back and take a look at the other videos that I offer on my channel. I have a few other unboxing videos, as well as many other tutorials and all kinds of fun stuff. And more is coming too. I'm very excited about some of the projects I have lined up. So if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, a like, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Do you love this kit? How would you use this stencil? How would you use this stencil? Because this is one I don't have a clear image or a clear idea on yet. So give me some hints. I would be glad to accept them. All right, thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.